Hello, welcome back to Every Problem. This is Stewart Calculus 8th edition, section 1.1, problem number 57. These problems are a little bit more interesting because it works with manipulating some of the variables to really try to get what we want. So for 57 it says, a rectangle has perimeter 20 meters. Express the area of the rectangle as a function of the length of one of its sides. Okay, well, let's go ahead and let's start by drawing a rectangle just to really try to make things as simple as possible. So here we have a rectangle and it's got some width W and some length L, okay? And we know that the perimeter is always going to be equal to, the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. So that can just be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And they do tell us that the perimeter is equal to 20. So that's good, okay? Now, another thing that we do know is we know that area in general of a rectangle, area is going to be equal to length times width. And we don't know the area. We do know the perimeter though. So what we can do, and it says express the area, right? The area of the rectangle as a function of the length of one of its sides. So we'll try to get it in terms of L. And so what that means is let's take the perimeter equation for a second and let's bring it down here. So we have 2L plus 2W equals 20. Well, we can subtract, here we are. That's yellow is not a good idea, never mind. Sorry, that was a mistake. Okay, let's subtract 2W from both sides. And that gives us 2L equals 20 minus 2W. Now, let's go ahead and divide everything by 2. And we're left with L equals 10 minus W. Great, okay. So they want the area of the triangle, they want the area of the rectangle in terms of one of the side lengths. So we now have all of our terms of L, and now here we go. We have area equals LW, but we also know that L is equal to 10 minus W. So that means that we know that area is equal to, I'm going to substitute 10 minus W for L, so I'll underline 10 minus W. I'm going to substitute 10 minus W for L here. So area equals 10 minus W times W. And, well, we could multiply it out, I guess. And so area equals 10W minus W squared. And that's going to be our answer.